Hey guys, welcome back. It's been quite a few days. I've been down with a broke down car. The radiator actually blew in this car, and I just got a new one in today, installed it, filled it up, and I'm back out on the road again. So we were actually going to fly the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So first off, there we go. Let's get a screen recording going. Did it take? Let's see. Yeah, we have a screen recording going. Let's put it on video here. We have 26 satellites. We're on video. Where's the resolution? 4K 30. Start recording. And auto takeoff. Got the drone right in front of the car here. Okay, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disabled. Now it's a little windy here, guys, so we're not going too far away. Turn the drone around. I think it's roughly probably about 16 km/h gusts. And it gets a little worse down here by the water. You can see it looks pretty stable here though. So we're going to check my phone before we do head out here with it. We just want to make sure, guys, that it's not too high. So the water is a little choppy here. But I checked it earlier, and I think it said about 16. So just bear with me. I'm just starting my phone up. So I don't, we got this screen controller, remember? So we don't need the phone for this drone anymore. But every time you update this, it'll log you out of the account, and that's a real pain in the ass. It's the only thing I don't like about this drone. So we will go into, turn our data on, and check the UAV app. UAV forecast says 21 km/h gusts, good to fly. Okay. So we'll go with that. It usually is a little more than what it says here though. So we're going to put it on normal mode. And we're going to turn around and head out a bit. Put our camera down a little touch. Gain some altitude. A couple of seagulls around, not too many here today. The water looks very purplish. That drone to turn around here as we climb. Yeah, strong wind warning. Just getting it now. Let's get close to the shore again. I don't want to go too far away. Have that pick up and drag us out. It's a drone I don't want to lose. Get over by the beach. Our camera up a little bit. Right there is good. So the nice weather is starting to come, guys, but it's still really cold out here. I don't think it's in the plus yet here. You still see there's a little ice in the harbor. A little bit. But what's out is gone. So it may push in one more time before it's completely done here. It usually fills the harbor here, then it drags it out to sea. Then it comes in once more and back out and it's gone, and then we get our spring. It happens like that every year here. I do not remember seeing it push out for the first time yet. But it's obviously gone because there's nothing here left in the harbor, except for what I just showed you there by the shore. So yeah, sorry I was down, guys, but it's been so cold out here that I just could not walk to a location to fly these. It's too darn cold to walk. Me and Laura actually walked to Tim Hortons there the other day. Sorry, the mic just fell off of the camera. Yeah, we walked to Tim's the other day, and my ears were that numb from the wind. It was horrid. Have to walk all the way in and all the way back. The way back wasn't so bad because the wind was on our backs, but on the way in it was treacherous. Very treacherous. We are only 56 meters high. I'm not having trouble coming back in. It's not bad. There you can see I'm right down here, guys. I've got the landing skis on the drone too, with that strobing light. The strobe lights are built right into the skis. Awesome little landing legs. You want landing legs for your Mini 3 Pro? That's a set to buy. They're great. And lights up really good in the nighttime, guys. Really, really good. Head over by the beach again. I haven't checked for any updates on this in a while either. It's the first time I've flown this in quite some time. There you can see that little bit of ice in there. That's all that's in here, guys. Yeah, a little bit close to shore, that's it. Everything else is completely gone. We are down to 63% battery already. We've been filming for what, 6 minutes 50 seconds, I think. So the battery's taking a beating from sitting so long. Guess I might have to purchase some new batteries for this. We're down to 60%, 59. I'm in normal mode too, so it's eating it a little faster. Plus it's cold out, so that makes a big difference. Let's see, there's we got one ferry in. I think this is a shrimp boat, or it's the Coast Guard. I can't really tell here. Yeah, it's Coast Guard, red one. The shrimp boat is the Northern Osprey, the one next to it, the blue and white, that we're looking at now. I think that comes in once a month, guys, maybe twice a month. And if you are out of work looking for a job, they will usually hire you on when they are in for a 12-hour shift to help empty that boat. I'd say it's some easy money, but it's a little bit of hard work. You're going to be bent over in the ice house inside of it all day, throwing bags up. Well, that's about it. We are down to 51%, so I'm going to bring this in and land it. I hope you guys enjoyed the short little flight. If you're new, you know the drill, guys. I will try and get out more often now that it's going to start getting warmer out. And I should have this car pretty much fixed up for inspection by the end of this month or next month. So hopefully we'll be doing some traveling around the island. That being said, guys, thanks for joining. And until the next one, peace out. We'll catch you later.